Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford. Platform 3 for the 1849 Stepford Connect, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. This train has 3 coaches. Platform 1 for the 1852 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Hampton Hargate, Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. This train has 3 coaches. Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Water Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Edgemead. This train has 3 coaches. The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Leighton City and Edgemead. This train has 3 coaches. Platform 1 for the 1900 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Edgemead only. This train has 3 coaches. The train now approaching platform 1 terminates here. This train is the service from St. Helens Bridge.